Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can change DPI on Razer mouse for PS5 and PS4. The first thing that you want to do is to plug those mouse onto your computer. Basically, we are going to use our computers or laptop in order to change our DPIs. From here, you want to get the official Razer Synapse application, connect your mouse, and from there it should look something like this. Now, basically, we can set multiple DPI stages right here. So basically for stage 1, it's going to be something like 400. You can just set this for your desired DPI. Now in this case, or normally it's going to be set at 400, 800, 1600, so on and so forth. From there, you could just plug your mouse back onto the PS4 and PS5, and you want to use the DPI up and down button. Basically, with this one, we're able to cycle with the program DPI stages. Now, in our case, the first one is going to be 400, 800, 1600. You can just set this up on the computer itself. Scroll down through your DPI menu, and from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.